everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican wedding cake. This is a really simple cake to make. It's sort of similar to a southern hummingbird cake. It's got pineapple, and I add some coconut as well. And then it's got a cream cheese frosting on top with some toasted pecans, and it's really delicious, really simple. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to start off by taking 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk. This is whole husk. Place that in a mixing bowl with a 1/4 cup of water. Mix that around and just let that sit for a minute to thicken. Next, we're going to add 1 can of crushed pineapple. Now, this is a 20-ounce can. If you have a 15-ounce can, that's fine as well. You just will bake it a little bit less. And then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just mix those ingredients together. And then we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of brown rice flour, 2/3 of a cup of millet flour, 2/3 of a cup of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And mix that up really well. And then you're just going to beat that by hand for a minute, just to let it thicken up a little bit. And then add in 1/2 cup of shredded coconut. That's unsweetened shredded coconut. Mix that in. And then we're going to take an 8-inch square baking pan, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with some brown rice flour, and pour in the batter. And just shake the pan a little bit just to even it all out, and bake it at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Meantime, we're going to make the frosting by taking an 8-ounce container of your favorite vegan cream cheese, add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just whip that up until it's nice and creamy. And then we're going to take 1/2 cup of vegan butter. Now, this is Miyoko's. You want something that's nice and firm butter, especially when it's at room temperature. Now, this has been softened at room temperature for a while. And just slowly add that in and continue mixing. And we're also going to take 1 cup of powdered sugar and slowly add that into the mix. And continue beating this at just a sort of medium speed. Now, chances are at this point, the consistency is not going to be a great frosting consistency. It's going to be kind of broken up. So I'm going to chill it for a couple of hours and then put it back in the mixer and beat it at high speed, and just continue beating it until it'll eventually all come together and be nice and creamy and smooth, and make a nice texture for a frosting. And once your cake has been thoroughly cooled, we can frost it with the frosting. Just even it all out on top. And then we're going to take 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, which have been toasted. Just about 5 minutes on the stovetop is fine for toasting them. And just sprinkle them on top, and it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.